Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up your Audi R8. First, ensure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface. Always engage the parking brake and use wheel chocks on the wheels that remain on the ground. Gather your essential tools: a sturdy floor jack, 2 or 4 jack stands, and a torque wrench. Always refer to your Audi R8's owner's manual for precise jacking point locations and safety guidelines. Identifying the correct jacking points is crucial for safety and preventing damage. Your Audi R8 has 4 specific reinforced jacking points, usually found just behind the front wheels and in front of the rear wheels, along the side skirts. These are designed to safely support the vehicle's weight. Always use a rubber jack pad to protect the undercarriage and distribute the load evenly. Avoid placing the jack on suspension parts or plastic trim. Once you've identified the correct jacking point, position your floor jack directly underneath it. Ensure the jack saddle is centered and stable. Slowly and steadily pump the jack handle to raise the vehicle. Lift it just high enough so the tire clears the ground by a few inches. Immediately after lifting, slide your jack stands into position under the reinforced frame points. Gently lower the vehicle onto the jack stands for secure support. Before working under your Audi R8, give it a gentle shake to confirm it's stable on the jack stands. Once your work is complete, it's time to lower the vehicle. First, slightly raise the car again with your floor jack, just enough to relieve pressure from the jack stands. Carefully remove the jack stands. Then, slowly and smoothly release the pressure on the jack, allowing the Audi R8 to descend gently back onto the ground. Remove the jack and wheel chocks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.